What is a dead bedroom? If you're in a relationship and you've noticed that the spark in your bedroom has dimmed or maybe even gone out completely, you might be wondering what's going on. This situation is often referred to as a dead bedroom. A dead bedroom is when partners have very little or no sex at all. This isn't a clinical diagnosis, but rather an informal term that describes a significant change in the couple's normal sexual intimacy. It's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean the relationship has lost all its vitality or that partners no longer care for each other. For many couples, a dead bedroom can be a source of unhappiness and frustration. It can look different for every couple, and what might be a problem for one couple might not be an issue for another. Even if there's a lack of sexual intimacy, it doesn't always mean partners don't find each other attractive or that they don't care about each other. So, what causes a dead bedroom? There are several reasons. One common cause is infidelity. When one partner cheats, it can lead to a significant drop in sexual activity within the relationship. This is often accompanied by emotional distance and emotional abuse, making the situation even more challenging to resolve. Another reason could be that the couple has simply fallen into a routine. When partners get too comfortable with each other, the excitement and intimacy can fade away. This is a reversible cause, but it does require effort from both partners to reignite the spark. Sometimes seeking help from a sex therapist can be beneficial. Health issues also play a significant role. Medical conditions or medications can affect libido and sexual drive. For example, certain antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and hormone treatments are known to cause a drop in sexual desire. If one partner is dealing with chronic illness or pain, it can also make sex less appealing or even painful. Stress and mental health conditions are other factors that can contribute to a dead bedroom. Stress from work, family, or other areas of life can make it difficult to maintain a healthy sex life. Mental health issues such as depression or anxiety can also impact sexual desire and intimacy. In some cases, past traumas can also affect sexual intimacy. For instance, survivors of sexual assault may experience a range of emotional and physical reactions that can impact their ability to engage in sexual activities comfortably. If you're experiencing a dead bedroom, it's important to communicate openly with your partner. Understanding the underlying causes together can help you both work towards a solution. Consulting a sex therapist or couples counselor can provide the tools and support needed to improve your sexual intimacy and overall relationship.